Okay, be care.
Now that everything had been settled, can we see our beautiful bride?
Of course.
Why do you seem to be in a hurry? Just relax, she will be here.
Maz, we were supposed to be in a hurry. There's no time, you know. I'm in a hurry. I don't have time.
I know.
I have money.
But
you take it
you must know that anything that will work does not come so easy.
No. Yes.
Hey. We have all sorts of English wine here. You know, my in-law in view is a man of means.
Money talks, bullshit works. All of them is magic.
He is capable of everything.
Very beautiful, sis. And it's a special day.
This must be like something like this. You know the every day different day. Hey! Hey! Sister! Hey! Sister!
Hey! Hey! Sister, I have a news for you. Uju, what is it? Hey! Sister, do you know that Nkem is getting married to Donatus? Arab money! Hey! It's a lie. Sister, it's true now. How? When? It's happening now. Now, sister! Hey! Wait, Uju, don't lie to me. Are you sure of what you just said? Here. Sister, I'm not lying now. Go and see for yourself. It's happening now. Go! Uju, hey! Hey! Wait, Uju, wait. You see, if I get to that place and find out you just lied to me, you will not like me. Sister, you know I cannot lie. Go and see for yourself. So it's true. Sister, go now. We are still here. Go! Let me go. Hey! Hey! Oh my God! I can't wait!
Why are you talking like that? I never said I won't pay. All I'm asking is give me little time. I'll pay you.
Where's Obina? Obina!
That's not what I'm saying.
Obina, come on here.
Hold on. Let me call you back.
Obina.
Yes. What?
Your ever-cherished Nkem is getting married today to another man.
That's not possible.
I'm not joking, no. I'm serious. In fact, I went there to see for myself. Yes!
You're serious?
In fact, as I speak to you, it is happening now. If you want to see for yourself, let's go. Let me take you there.
You're serious?
Yes!
You're serious? You're serious?
I warned you. But the spell she casted on you couldn't let you see. Can't you see that I truly love you? Can't you see that I am the one standing by you in your time of tears? Yet the tears in your eyes are for her and not for me. Obina, can't you see that I love you? This girl is evil. Can't you see that she wants to destroy you? Can't you just...
Leave me alone! Leave me alone. Go!
I will go, but think about what I just said. Think about it, Obina. I don't even care about his tears. If he likes, let him cry. Very soon, he will realize that he has lost her forever. He will have no other choice than to come to me. Nonsense. Akufecha or Daramo. You don't have any choice. You will come to me.
Nkechi.
How far now? Where are you going to?
As you can see, I'm okay. And you?
I'm fine.
But Nkechi, you look so happy. What's the good news?
Haven't you heard? My rival is getting married today.
Your rival?
Yes, now.
Who is your rival and who is getting married?
Game, of course. As I speak to you, her marriage is ongoing.
So, Nkechi, how is that supposed to be a good news?
Of course, it's a good news.
So, you mean after all I have done to make you understand that I love you, that I want to spend the rest of my life with you, so you still want to go after that, what is it called, Obina?
What kind of talk is that one? See, I'm in a happy mood. I don't want anything to spoil this sweet feeling that I'm having. Oh. Not even this your nonsense talk.
Nkechi,
don't come and spoil my mood.
I love you so much.
Talk, oh.
Nkechi, I love you.
Why am I even standing here talking to you?
Nkechi!
What can you love yourself?
Nkechi, please, I love you. You need to understand I love you.
Is something wrong with you?
Nkechi. Nkechi.
Are you okay?
You are not taking us to God. You have all that for you.
All the never.
The Arab money. Everything is fine. I'm going to make up my own life.
Chidi. Chidi Umuwai. I was actually on my way to your house. Why are you seated there? What is it again? Your face, you look like someone who haven't eaten since morning. What is it?
Ebuka, do you know I was on my way to my house when I met Ikechi? She said finally, Nkem is getting married. That means the chance of me getting married to her is no more there.
Wait, so Nkem? The Nkem that we know. Oh, Nkem is getting married?
Yes.
Eh? Hey! Wonder shall never end. Well, my brother, see, have I ever deceived you before? Have I?
After all I have done to make her love me, after all I have done, I have tried my best.
I understand, my brother. See, I will not deceive you and I will never deceive you. I asked you before, since we met, have I ever deceived you before? Answer me. Man, I have not deceived you before. So what you will do now is just move on. My brother, move on. There are so many fishes in the water. Okay? Don't kill yourself because of someone who doesn't love you. Just move on. Eh? And you will see beautiful ones. People that will love you. You will see the girls that will love you. Okay?
I have tried my best to move on, but I couldn't. But right now, I think I have to make my own decision. See, you are right. I really need to move on. It is time for me to look for someone that really loves me. Someone that will love me for who I am. Not somebody like Nkechi. Not somebody like Nkechi. But you know I love her.
You love her. I thought you said you've moved on. You want to cry? I thought you said you've moved on. My brother, just move on. Don't go back, oh. Is it her food or is it which one is making you to think about her? Just move on, okay? There are so many fishes in the water. Don't worry, there are so many beautiful girls. You will see someone that will love you. You're telling me, Nkem.
Thank you so much for this advice.
See,
Thank
I
you
am
so much.
professor of lovology. Don't worry, you're with your man. You're telling me, Nkem.
Thank you so much.
Come, let me teach you some styles.
My man.
How can you leave me, Nkem? After all our promises to each other, after the vow, how my love.
Bill,
I thought I lost you.
oh, you can never lose me. It is together forever. We need to leave. We need to run. I am sure they will soon come for me.
Mazi, I don't understand what's going on. We've been here waiting for you. Why is she not here?
Arab man.
I have things to do, for God's sake.
Really not. Something that will work does not come that easy. So just,
We have to go live. Please be a little patient.
Who is there? Come out! Come out!
Judy.
Uncle?
What's the situation?
Yes, she was here.
Give the phone to Merciless Mercy. Is he not there?
Okay.
Lord Chief.
Mercy. This time, no mercy at all.
Yes, what do you want us to do now?
Make sure you vandalize everything. Destroy everything. Yes. Kill their fowl. Anything you see there, destroy them.
Okay, sir.
Stay search for them. If you see him, deal with him. Yes, deal with him very well.
Do.
I was just playing a mind game on them.
My love, I thought I lost you.
No. You could never lose me. Can't you see? Even the wind can bear witness to our bond. It is together.
Forever.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You are my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together.
Maz, what's going on? What's going on? I need updates. What's going on? She's coming from where? Man, ask Maz what is going on. We'll be here for how many hours? I have things to do for God's sake. So,
I have money. Please calm down and
let me down.
everybody for one
Mazi Agabus. Mazi Agabus.
Who is this?
Mazi Agabus Agabus. Sentinel. Mazi Agabus. Mazi Agaba Agabus. Mazi. No. You see, my body is already. Mazi Agabus. This is what I want to tell you now. It's not about me. Mazi Agabus, you cannot believe what my eyes I just saw.
Okay, but wait, if you have anything to say it and get out of this place. You can see I have some important things to come outside. If there is anything you want to tell me, say it.
Okay, I should say it here in public. No problem. Mazi Agabus Agaba, I just saw Nkem and Obinna inside the bush playing love. What? Hey. Yes. Playing love. Hey. Right now.
Where?
Playing. Huh? I will lead the way.
Did you hear that? In the bush?
Yes.
Where?
I will lead the way.
Take us there.
I'm going there.
Take me.
Let's go. Mazi Agabus, Mazi Agaba.
Can you imagine? Hey! In the bush.
But that boy said wrong.
No! Don't be there! No! Don't be there! Ah! Anna! What have you done? No! Don't be there! Anna! Hey! What have you done, Arab? Come, Hey, Arab, what have you done? She's a bit. Let her ambulance. Let her get to the hospital. Obila! What have you done? Hey!
Papa, this is very risky. What if this man dies here?
Nabike, you know too well that nothing will happen to him. Nothing.
He's alive.
I told you. Where am I? Where am I? Calm down, my son. Where am I? Sorry. Who are you? My son, my name is Ijele the Hunter. I saw what happened to you and I saved you. She's dead. My love. She's dead. My son, I am sorry. I saw the bond between the two of you. And it reminded me of my late wife. Ijeno, who I lost in childbirth. May her soul rest in peace. Thank you very much. Oh, no. Not yet, my son. You are not that very strong. Moreover, if you leave now, you are walking into your early grave. The young man that shot you, I saw so much hatred in his eyes. He might shoot you again. So please, my son, stay back until you are okay. Then I will let you go. Please. Nabife, go in there. Bring that food I prepared for him to eat. Okay. Go in there now. Thank you. Don't worry, sorry. Doctor.
Mr. Agaba, you're back. Thank God she's alive. But I must tell you, she's in a very critical situation at this point. You have to take it easy, okay? It's so. Meet me at the office.
Doctor, I don't understand. Why would the nurse say I wouldn't go in there to see my fiancé? That's so wrong.
Just a minute. Nurse, what is keeping you? I want the report on the Aces file right now. I'm at the front desk. Oh, sorry about that, Mr. Donatus.
Why would she deny me access?
You see, let me be frank with you. Mr. Agaba, the father of the girl in question has given an order not to allow access to either you or one other young man for reasons I think you should know about.
How will you order you not to allow me to come to see my
It's okay, I understand there was a situation before this.
What is it?
Mr. Agaba, please.
I don't want you to come near my daughter. I understand how you feel. But you should understand that this whole event wasn't entirely
Doctor, let this person get out of this place.
Mercy. No.
Doctor, I won't take it. Let him leave this place.
I am willing to give you 5 million naira to compensate you for what happened, okay? At least you know that I love your daughter.
No, it's all my fault. It's not your fault. That's why you are giving me 25 million naira to exchange the life of my daughter? Doctor, please, if this man doesn't leave this place, I'll do something.
You're asking me to leave?
Leave this place.
You're asking?
I said leave this place.
All right.
Imagine this fool.
Mr. Agaba, your anger is so intensive. Don't allow me to involve in security.
He is giving me 25 million naira to exchange for my daughter's life. Is that not transparency?
You've explained the situation. Just calm down. I'm sorry, sir. At this point, we should be talking about your daughter's welfare.
You're under arrest, Mr. Donatus.
For what?
For attempted murder. Oh yeah, move. Move!
But money not be everything. Cause money cannot buy true love. So no matter what you try, what you do, true love is priceless. Joy, money cannot buy true love.
Mr. Ramon, even the officer here confessed to the crime, not just before me, but before the Igwe and the entire community. So there's nothing I can do about it. You have to face the law.
Baby, you can't see that. There must be something you can do about this. You and I have come a long way. Of course, you know who I am, you know what I'm capable of doing. Money talks, bullshit works, and every other thing is magic. Listen, I am Arab money, I can't go down for this crime. Please, whatever it's going to take, 10 million, 20, 30, 40, whatever it is, just name the price and I will take care of it.
Take it easy. You can't bribe me. Neither the police force. You have to face the law. Officer.
Sir.
But money not be everything. Cause money cannot buy true love. So no matter what you try, what you do.
Okay, have fun.
Please, have you seen Obinna, my friend, today? Did she come around even yesterday?
So you mean you've not heard? Obinna is dead.
Toma, what does it mean about this? What do you mean? Can you stop this joke? How can you tell me that Obinna is dead?
I'm not joking. It's true, Obinna is dead.
Yes, Piccolo. She's right.
Eh?
Yes. Yes, she's right. Obinna was shot by assassins sent by Arab money. As I'm speaking with you right now, they are in the police custody. But Obinna's corpse is nowhere to be found.
I want him. I want him. I want him. I want him.
Sister, stop.
See what has happened to him.
Stop crying. Please, stop.
His corpse has not even been found. At least I called him his last respect. Hey!
Sister.
Obinna, why?
Sister, stop crying. Stop shedding tears. He doesn't deserve it. If not, he would have given up on him for you.
Hey, Obinna, why now? Hey, Obinna.
Sister, stop crying.
Obinna.
Our society has never been because of what is on. These boys, they have abandoned our culture, our values to take to foreign country. That is why we are witnessing all this nonsense. Imagine, people are doing burial. These rascals stormed there, opened fire, killing everybody. It is unheard of. Something has to be done. You see? It is because of this, the importation of foreign culture. That's why we are witnessing all this nonsense. It has to stop. Achọbụ isi ọchụ. Eje n'aka jụọ ụzụ kpụrụ mma. Na-egbe.
Igwe. Akụ. Igwe. Igwe, you got it. Igwe, please, I would like to have some kind of privacy with you.
Privacy?
Yes, Igwe, just you and I.
Privacy? Oh no. Igwe.
Ichiago. Igwe, I went to visit my nephew, Donatus, Arab money in the cell. And he asked me to give you this. In here is a lot of money. He's asking for your support in the case between him and Agaba's daughter.
You mean all this money is for me?
Yes, we do.
Oh no. You can come back.
What is going on?
Yeah, there's no problem.
Hey.
Igwe. Oh no. Akuma here brought me a lot of money. Akuma, can you repeat what you said before? Akuma, I'm disappointed in you. You are a titled man from this kingdom, and you sold your conscience for money. Take this dirty money out of here. Go back and tell Donatus, or Arab money, or whatever you call him. Tell him that I said no. I can never support crime in this kingdom. This kingdom is not a crime kingdom.
Akuma, so they sent you. Donatus sent you to come and bribe Igwe. Go and tell that Donatus that I said he must rot in jail. I swear, Donatus must die in that jail. I will tell the police to incarcerate him forever. He will never come and tell him that I am going to tell the police to incarcerate him forever.
No, it's okay.
Imagine Donatus bribing you. Who is Donatus?
I said, leave my palace.
You will.
Get away from my side. Akuma, tell Donatus that he will rot in jail. I swear, I will make sure he is incarcerated forever. Look at him.
Ichiago, you join Akuma to bribe me to support a crime in this kingdom.
He acted on his own. I don't even know why he brought me here.
Agu, you follow.
Agu,
it's nothing.
And you followed him to this palace.
Igwe, what I said is what I know.
Leave my palace.
Igwe.
All of you will rot in jail. Nonsense.
Be very careful as you go. You know danger lurks around you. But if there is any place you want to hide, don't forget you have a home here. I will welcome you anytime, any day, my son.
I'll always keep that in mind. Thank you, Ijele.
You're welcome, my
You're
son.
such a kind man.
You said so.
I promise you, I'll always return to appreciate.
My son, don't bother. Appreciation goes to God. We give thanks to Almighty God for saving you. That is the most important. One more thing. I will be glad to see you soon.
I'll be glad to see you again.
Yeah.
You are physically strong. I'm mentally strong.
So at least have respect for me.
I have respect for you now, but I can draw, you cannot draw.
Do not do someone drinking number. It shall not be well with you. Donatus, it shall not be well with you.
Pico! Hey! Pico! Guess what?
Okay, listen. I'm not here for play. I'm not ready for all this your play, please.
I am not here for play.
Let me go. Let's just go. Let's go.
It's okay.
Leave me.
It's okay. I have good news for you. I just saw Obina right now. Yes! I saw Obina with my 2 koro eyes. He said he survived the gunshot. Yes.
What are you talking about?
I am serious. I touched him. I felt Obina. Obina survived the gunshot. He is even on his way home.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. I was shocked. What? Because wait. He's survived. Why is he running? Because no. What? So I can.
Sorry. What happened to your hand? Why is your property outside now? What happened? Who did this?
Just look at what Agaba did to me. Agaba. Look at what Agaba did to me. Agaba. Enough. It's enough.
It's not your fault. It is our fate. It's our sacrifice for the love we share.
How have you been coping?
Well, my father has been very supportive. He feeds me,